Hi everyone, Kelly Driver here. Thank you for joining me today. I got a new delivery of paints the other day, and I ordered a few new colours, which is something I like to do when I've sold a few paintings, so then I expand in my collection of paint colours. And I bought this beautiful greenish blue Amsterdam colour, and I have no idea why I didn't have it earlier because I've got almost every blue, but it's so pretty. So I've decided I'm going to do just a small canvas, and I'm going to have a greenish blue base, and I'm also going to use two other new colours that I've purchased, which is pewter and brilliant blue. So I think that might mean I have every blue that Amsterdam makes now. I've got all the pinks, and now I think I've got all the blues as well, but that just shows what my two favourite colours are. So let's paint. Okay everybody, so I'm trying my new colour that I've got, my Amsterdam greenish blue. So it looks, as soon as I opened the delivery box, I'm like, that's super pretty. So I've mixed up some of that, but it's a transparent colour. So I decided to paint the sides and give them a run over beforehand, so that I won't have to, hopefully I won't have to touch them up afterwards. And then I've got pewter, I've got brilliant blue, titanium white, Van Dyke brown and light gold. So let's begin. Oh, it's such a pretty colour. Oh, just gorgeous. So I'll blow that out. How have I not purchased this colour earlier? My goodness, I've basically got every blue, so how have I not had this one? I don't know, but anyway, I'm very happy I've got it now. Very happy indeed. Right, now, so what I've decided I want to do is put on the brilliant blue first. Just going to do a puddle in the middle. Then I will put on some white to make sure it lightens everything up a bit. The Van Dyke brown, light gold, and my pewter. Okay, look at those beautiful rings. Aren't they pretty? Okay, and I'll pour the greenish blue around the edge to flood the canvas. Okay, and I'll blow the paint over first. Wow, that's super pretty. Whoa, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So beautiful. Just divine. Oh, I love it. I love it. I think the composition will go got to work on the composition. Something's not quite right with the composition, so I want to retain what I've got here. There's the pewter there. I'm just walking around trying to figure out which way the composition will be. I think I'm going to turn it around to face me in the way I think. Beautiful, very beautiful. I really love the pewter. I really love it. Okay, I'll bring you down for a close-up and you can see all the gorgeous things I can see. So here we are for the final result in what I think will be the final composition. So we've got the beautiful pewter and gold there. I'm glad I put those touches of white in. They've got some lovely little contrasts going on over here. The cells are gorgeous there. And there's like these rings of colour here, which are just so stunning. It has a lot more of an aqua turquoise feel to it than what you can see in this light. The camera's not really picking up the turquoise very much, but I'm very happy with how this has turned out. It's just, it's very beautiful. So I hope you like it too. I'm Kelly Driver and I will see you next time for another video. See you later.